If you're looking to start an online business and you're wondering if you should start a dropshipping store or an affiliate marketing business, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now in today's topic, I wanted to address a common question that I get asked all the time, which is, Fred, should I start a Shopify dropshipping business or should I build an affiliate marketing business? And if this is the question that is lurking in your mind, then I'm going to share with you the top 3 things an online business would need in order for you to succeed and the difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing. But before we get into today's topic, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. So that being said, again, when it comes to Shopify dropshipping, you can actually go onto my YouTube channel and actually indulge yourself into all the videos to learn how to start a dropshipping business. But at the end of the day, dropshipping is not the only way for you to make money online. You can even simply partner up with other people and actually make a commission for every sale that you refer. And this is essentially affiliate marketing. And in the past decade, I have been doing a lot of affiliate marketing. I rarely talk about it on my YouTube channel, but I decided to actually share with you all my upcoming secrets, strategies, and how-tos when it comes to creating your affiliate marketing business. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are looking to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now, that being said, let's really break down the 3 fundamentals of an online business. First is the website, second is the traffic, and last but not least is the budget. And I bet all beginners are really wanting to understand these 3 components before you decide which business model is right for you. So let's talk about number 1, which is the website first. Now, when you talk about building a Shopify dropshipping business, the beauty is that you can essentially use Shopify to build out your e-commerce store. It's completely drag and drop where you can actually have a full website up and running in a matter of days. And all you need to do is to essentially upload products right into your Shopify account and you can start selling right away. However, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to have some sort of website to bridge between your website and to your partner's website where you earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Now, this website has multiple strategies that you can look at. Number 1, you can create a review website. Number 2, you can create an opt-in page. Number 3, you can create a survey or a quiz funnel to actually direct people to your actual partner's website where you get a commission as an affiliate. But at the end of the day, when it comes to building the website out, you're not really building a full website. What you're trying to do is to build out an actual web page that is acting, again, as a bridge between your traffic and also between the actual affiliate offer that you are promoting. So you're basically right in the middle, being the intermediate page to get you or get your visitors to go to your partner website with your affiliate link so that you obviously make money. Now, when it comes to creating these kind of pages, you would need to rely on landing page builders, maybe things like lead pages or ClickFunnels in order for you to essentially create that landing page. Now, when it comes to cost, it is a little bit more expensive than Shopify. And again, there is a learning curve when it comes to creating the web page that you need when it comes to selling affiliate offers. So all in all, when it comes to the website side of things, I would say Shopify Dropshipping will be a lot easier if you don't have a lot of tech knowledge. Given the fact that because, once again, Shopify is already a built-in platform with all the themes and you just upload products and you can actually start selling right away. But with an affiliate marketing website, you would actually need to do more and know how to actually create these pages in order for you to actually get it to work. Now, here's one big warning, is that you don't want to run what we call direct traffic. A lot of people want to actually start affiliate marketing because, after all, you're just trying to send a click directly to an affiliate offer. We're using your tracking link. However, the problem comes up is the fact that most affiliate offers are actually not allowed to be advertised on Facebook because of the claims that a landing page would have. So this is why, again, you need to build that web page. But if you don't have much tech knowledge, then I would say Shopify Dropshipping will be an easier bet. Now, number 2 is traffic. Now, when it comes to traffic, it's actually easier when it comes to traffic for Shopify Dropshipping. Because when you start running ads or promote your particular product that you're dropshipping, you're essentially using the products as the bait to get the interest of your targeted audience to get them to go to your website and buy your product. However, with affiliate marketing, you would need to specifically sell based on pain points to your targeted audience. So that being said, you need to actually have good copywriting skills in order for you to get the person interested, knowing that they have this certain problem that your product can actually solve, and direct them to a landing page of your affiliate offer so that you obviously earn a commission right in between. Now, at the same time, it's actually easier in terms of not getting suspended by Facebook when you sell dropshipping items versus an affiliate offer. Because with affiliate offers, oftentimes you would need to make claims. For example, if you want to actually sell an affiliate offer that is within the weight loss niche, you would need to make some claims to get the people have some kind of results on checking out or buying the affiliate offer that you're promoting. And this is usually a trap that most people can get into, because ultimately, if you say the wrong things on your ad, your ad account can get shut down. But when it comes to Shopify dropshipping, you're essentially just using the product. And as long as you can showcase the product, then for you to run ads, it's going to be a lot more simpler. Now, last but not least, number 3 is the budget. So when it comes to creating a Shopify dropshipping business, you would need around $100 in order for you to have the website and to get all the apps that you'll need, and also some ad money for you to actually start running some traffic. On the other hand, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you would actually look at roughly the same budget, depending on what landing page builder you are going to use. Because there are landing page builders that are roughly $24 a month, all the way to $97 a month. So all in all, when it comes to the budget, I would say, again, both businesses would require a minimum of $100 just for you to get started. Now, you might be thinking, Fred, you're always a partner of Shopify. Obviously, you're going to say Shopify dropshipping is going to be far more better than affiliate marketing. Well, actually, it's the other way around. What I wanted to actually share with you is that, again, with affiliate marketing, the way that you are being told or taught, it's a little bit outdated. There is a brand new strategy where you can actually run ads on Facebook without having a website, and you can actually start selling products right away while you are building up a database of customers that you can endlessly email to them. And this strategy is completely brand new that we have innovated, that I wanted to actually share with you right in the video description right down below. But ultimately, at the end of the day, what I wanted to actually share with you is that affiliate marketing actually comes in with a lot of perks. Because after all, with affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about customer service. When it comes to Shopify dropshipping, you would need to watch your inbox like a hawk to ensure your customers are all taken care of. Number two, in reality, you make more margin with affiliate marketing than e-commerce. Because with affiliate marketing, you actually get to earn up to 90% commission for doing literally nothing but sending people to your partner's website. But with e-commerce, you gotta focus on the cost of goods, cost of shipping, transaction fees, and even refunds, which will be a pain in the butt for you. Not to mention, chargebacks is also a huge issue when it comes to e-commerce. Now, at the end of the day, I'm not saying which one is better. It really boils down into what kind of business you really want to build. And when I look at building a new business, either it's dropshipping or affiliate marketing, I will always look at short-term, long-term. And what I mean by that is Shopify dropshipping, you get results really fast right away because it is a transactional business. You're just selling a product in exchange for money. But with affiliate marketing, what you're really selling is relationship. What you're trying to do is actually build a long-term game that will allow you to continuously monetize from them, and the bigger your email list is going to be, obviously, the more money you are going to make. And if you love to actually be a person that talks a lot, that is vocal, that loves to actually write emails or write social media posts, affiliate marketing may actually be better than Shopify dropshipping. Because again, the product is dead, you is real. So again, there are goods and bads when it comes to, again, Shopify dropshipping and affiliate marketing. But the ultimate play, this is the most important part, is that if you want to be truly, truly successful in the world of online advertising and also building an online business, is to merge the two together. You can actually have an e-commerce store selling affiliate products. You can actually have an affiliate marketing business starting out to sell affiliate products and then sell physical products by drop shipping as well. But at the end of the day, you gotta choose which one you want to get started. And once again, you can actually indulge yourself right on my YouTube channel to learn everything about Shopify dropshipping, or if you wanted to learn our new way to run affiliate marketing businesses, then simply go to the video description right down below and actually check it out. So with that being said, again, it's really somewhat the same, but the way that you approach the business is going to be very different. And again, it all boils down into what you wanted to build and what makes sense for you in terms of short-term, mid-term, and long-term for your success. So that being said, I hope that this question really got addressed. As I said, really depends on what kind of website you want. Are you able to handle the traffic? And are you able to actually afford at least $100 just to get started? So with that being said, I hope that this video answered your questions. If you have any question, feel free to drop the comment right down in the comment section. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.